So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the solar system using Google Earth, and so we're going to come up to this little icon, planet icon up here, and click on the sky, and it's going to take us up into outer space so we can see the different things that are in the solar system. And then we're going to come down here to the sky database and click on it. And then we're going to click on this little tab that says our solar system. And the first thing I'm going to talk to you about is the sun. So we're going to come down here and click on the sun and travel on over to the sun. And the image is going to load in just a minute. And the sun is just a star that is found at the center of the solar system, and it is 1,392,000 kilometers or 865,000 miles wide. And the sun is over 300,000 times larger than the Earth, so it is really big, really a lot bigger than the Earth. And the average distance from the sun to the Earth is around 150 million kilometers. And another fun, interesting fact about the sun is that its surface temperature is around 5,500 degrees Celsius or 9,941 degrees Fahrenheit. So it is really, really extremely hot. So next we're going to travel on over to the moon and talk about that. And the moon is the fifth largest moon in the solar system. And the moon orbits the Earth every 27.3 days. And the effect of gravity is only 1/5 as strong on the moon compared to the strength of gravity on the Earth. So if you went on the moon, you would weigh a whole lot less than you do on the Earth. And as some of you may know, the first person to set foot on the moon was Neil Armstrong. So next we're going to travel on over to Saturn. And Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system, and it is surrounded by a system of rings seen in this picture right here. And the rings stretch out into space for thousands of kilometers. And Saturn isn't really a very peaceful planet to visit because storm winds race around the atmosphere at 800,000 miles per hour. So you would definitely get blown away. And so the next thing we're going to talk about is Mars. And so we're going to travel on over to Mars. And Mars is nicknamed the Red Planet. And it's nicknamed the Red Planet even though it doesn't really look that red in this picture. But it's nicknamed the Red Planet because it is covered with rust-like dust, which makes it have that red color. And Mars experiences violent dust storms which continually change its surface. So Mars, it doesn't always look the same. And so it has many massive volcanoes and is home to Olympus Mons, which is the largest volcano in our solar system. And Mars has a very thin atmosphere, so it is not thick enough to trap the sun's heat, and so it gets really, really cold there in the winter time, and the temperatures in the winter range from around negative 184 degrees Fahrenheit. And in the summer, temperatures range about 77 degrees Fahrenheit. And so that is all that I'm going to talk to you about today. So thanks for traveling with me to the solar system.